All right, let's make a start with Ielts speaking part 2. Describe a place where there was a lot of noise or describe a noisy place. Yes.
Last week I was invited at the birthday party that was in Avenue Mall. It's located in Ghazi Road, that nearest DHA, and my kids and I we were really excited to join that birthday party. Uh, it was a great event, and when I entered at Palladium area, there was a lot of noise in that area. My kids were very excited. They were enjoying with their friends, and after some time, I was thinking uh, uh, how I spent 2 hours in that such a noisy place. I changed my seat for some time, but when I saw the other mothers, I have to talk really loud because of the bumpy cars. There were very different machines and games. Um, the
Okay, thank you. 1 minute 18 seconds. Overall, it's good, but you need to work on your fluency. What you do, you think, then you talk, then you think, then you talk. So you need to think and talk at the same time,
Okay.
right? Because your thinking is ahead of your talking. So if I'm talking about this thing, I know what is next, right? So only this thing you need to do and practice all these topics, you'll be perfectly fine.